Hi, I'm Katie, if you don't know me. I'm a Scentsy independent consultant, and today I'm changing my wax in my wax warmer because I have been running it almost non-stop. I put in the 2 cubes of Just Breathe in my warmer 2 nights ago and had it running for like 4 or 5 hours, and then yesterday I had it running from like 11 a.m. till like midnight at least, because I stayed up pretty late last night, and then today I've had it running, and so that's like I've had it running since turn on about noon because I slept in late, and it's now 10 p.m. so it's been running, and I'm noticing that the fragrance has gone, which is normal because like it's not gonna last a whole week and it's just 2 cubes, but I'm ready to change it, so I'm going to show you what that looks like. There are different ways you can do it. You can let it get hard, like cool down and get hard, and pop it out with a butter knife or a spatula and just throw it away if it doesn't have any fragrance left. Or you can use the cotton cleanup circles. I'll insert a picture of what those are. I placed an order for those and they're on the way as I speak, but they were on back order because they're so popular. But here's a picture of them. And those, you just put it in there and it soaks up all the warmed wax, melted wax, and then it's just all clean and it's ready for the next scent. But let me turn this around. Okay, that's it. That's how you take them out. And then tomorrow morning, because I'm about to go to bed now, tomorrow morning I'm gonna put 2 new cubes in there because that dish is the perfect size for 2 cubes. Let me check. This is the perfect size for 2 cubes. And yeah, just gonna start with something different tomorrow. Not sure which one I'm gonna do yet, but that's all I got to show you today. So bye. Check out my website.